This is a little song that helps you fold things. And around my home, there's always blankets to fold and towels to fold. And this is a little song that can help you engage your little helpers around the house in a sweet way. And so imagine we've been playing with this bit of silk. It's white and perhaps it's been snow. And then perhaps it's time to clean up, right? So we go like this. We pick up the silk and we go, butterflies so high, butterflies so low. So like the air that goes under a butterfly's wings, we just enjoy playing with the silk for a moment. And then we put the ends together like friends forever. Butterflies so high and butterflies so low. We put the ends together like friends forever. And then it's all ready to put away.